Start.
Good morning, friends. My name is Harshal, and today I am going to explain you the process of electroplating. So basically, if you look carefully around you, you will see the handles of doors, this iron knife, spoons, jewelry, etc. You will think they are of specific one metal, but I'll say no. They are not only of one metal specifically. They will be either alloy or they will be electroplated on their upper side with another metal. To explain you more additionally, I will show you this diagram. Likewise, the process of electroplating is done. In this process, three main components are involved. They are firstly anode, secondary cathode, and third is the electrolyte solution, in which anode is the metal used for electroplating, cathode is the metal that has to be electroplated, and electrolyte is the solution that is a good conductor of electricity. And the electrolyte should be anode based. That is, if the anode is copper, the solution has to be copper sulfate. This will only help to electroplate the iron knife. And if we take ferrous sulfate as our electrolyte, this process will not work. So likewise, copper sulfate electrolyte is taken over here. Likewise, if the current starts flowing, the copper loses its electrons and it becomes Co minus 2. These electrons are released in the electrolyte solution and then stick towards the cathode. Likewise, this process keeps on continuing and the layer of copper is deposited on the iron knife. This helps the object to protect from corrosion. That is, to, to be corrosion resistant. Gained. So additionally, anode are not taken any metal, example sodium, potassium. They are specifically taken as copper or nickel or chromium because these metals react very less with oxygen. In return, they help themselves to protect themselves from rusting. So when the layers of these metals are deposited on another metal, the second metal becomes corrosion resistant. This helps us in our daily life very much. How? If you look at this iron knife, it is not just iron. If it would be just iron while cutting vegetables, the rust would stick towards the apple or any vegetable. Another thing, the spoons which we use to eat rice or anything daily are plated with chromium or nickel, which helps us to keep our health safe. Another example, if we take coins, are electroplated with nickel and chromium. These help them to protect themselves from corrosion. Additionally, one more thing I'll show you. Jewelry are not just pure gold or pure silver. They are electroplated with gold or silver in many cases. For example, if you look at this ring, it is not just pure gold, it is electroplated with gold. These help the jewelry to increase luster and make themselves shiny. Additionally, this process is also called as galvanization. Thank you.